asunto-osakeyhtiö Kuriri.
In Swedish that would be Kuriren. And today on the 22nd of May 2023 and we have Orvokkikuja Violgränden Turstekesbyn. We filmed the Stekese here also. This is here in Tikkurila Tikkursby. Vantaa Helsinki was. Region also in Finland, the capacity is 4.85 grams. I love this occupied sign here. This was built in 1985 and possibly the beginning of 1985 with 5 floors. Turned 35 years old in 2020. Zero Brewers age 63641. I think it was for Owen Stekese. Will be inspected next year, 2024. This is two eyes as well. There's a rare kind of fire up here,
Yeah.
so it was something that they experimented with in the beginning of 1995 here.
Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Kone.
And I love the smell and the sounds in here.
Same.
I think I will go and look at the alarm on here. It's
Yeah.
also original here.
That's